Jim Padilla here, and a sales team expert, spent 25 years building, developing, recruiting, and retaining rockstar sales talent. It's what I do. It's what we do all the time around here at Gain the Edge. And I want to share with you the other side of the coin. If you don't have time to recruit and retain rockstar sales talent, then there's only a few different options for you. One, you're stuck doing all the sales, which means you have capped your growth and your ability to expand and grow your company. Or you just randomly grab somebody at someone else's recommendation. Hey, who knows a good salesperson? Bam, here they come. You bring somebody in. And first of all salespeople are not created equal. All salespeople are not designed to thrive in every single environment. So somebody who thrives somewhere else may not thrive for you. Conversely, somebody who tanks somewhere else could be a home run for you, right? So you can't just take what somebody else says, right? You have to be really, really clear as to what was the conditions that led to them being able to produce, and how are your conditions set up the same way? And if not, then that's not an ideal place to go. Okay. Then what happens is you pull somebody in, you put them in an environment, and I've been selling my whole life, and I can't tell you how many times I've been put into a position where literally with a day or less than a day or a half a day or no training, it's here's a script, here's your database, here's your leads, go to town, right? So now you have somebody who may be a great salesperson, but maybe they're not they're a great organizational structure person who can't create their own. You can put somebody in a system who can thrive in that environment, or you could put somebody in an environment that doesn't have any structure and watch them tank because they want to sell, but they don't want to figure out how to create a system. Okay. There's what I'm trying to get to you is there's so many different ways for people to engage, for them to win and succeed. And you want to be part of the solution, not part of the problem. So when you say, I don't have time to recruit and retain top tier sales talent, what you're really saying is you're volunteering to put in a whole bunch of time trying to solve problems that are going to be created over and over again. And I'd love to show you our sales team select process. That we are helping business owners be able to attract, obtain, and retain top tier sales talent that works for you, branded and customized to you, and can win and make the sales happen because we have actually vetted and sourced them and verified that they actually know how to sell because we put them through our sequence, our proven process and system that we've been using for 25 years to be able to source and again, attract, obtain, and retain top tier sales talent, right? So it's not just an interview. There's an entire science and a process behind it that we have done, we put together, and we want to be able to put it to work for you. Believe in the time investment and the ROI that's going to come on the back end, because if you don't have the time to recruit and train salespeople, then you don't have the time for a powerful, successful business. And we want to make sure that we are taking that off of your plate, be able to help you structure with the right tools, the right support, the right strategies to be able to make it go. All right. Believe in you. Thanks for trusting us to be part of your success team. And let's go get this done.